Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will indulge in a luscious grape halwa. It is crafted with the essence of freshly pressed fresh grape juice. Grapes halwa is a delectable dessert that is enjoyed in the Indian subcontinent. It is a rich and thick confection possessing a gelatinous texture. Halwas are typically adorned with nuts and dried fruits. So why waste time? Let's begin. Begin by blending the grapes into a smooth paste. Extract the juice by gently straining the blended grapes, ensuring that only the juice passes through while any solids or pulp are retained. To the extracted grape juice, add 3 tablespoons of cornflour and a few drops of green food color. Thoroughly mix the ingredients to ensure that all lumps are dissolved. Take a separate container and pour 25 milliliters of ghee or butter into it. Spread evenly along the inner surface of the container, ensuring that it coats the entire area uniformly. Once the process is completed, sprinkle the broken mixed nuts. Ensure that the nuts are spread out across. Place a pan over medium flame and add 300 grams of sugar to it. As the sugar gradually begins to melt, pour in 200 milliliters of water and stir continuously to dissolve the sugar completely. Continue heating the mixture until it reaches a boiling point. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes, then reduce the flame and slowly pour the mixture into the pan while stirring continuously. Gradually, the grape mixture will begin to curdle, resulting in a sticky and gluey texture. Add the ghee and mix it thoroughly until well combined. Once everything is blended, turn off the flame. Carefully pour the prepared mixture into the container with the sprinkled nuts, ensuring that it is spread evenly. Allow the mixture to cool down to room temperature, and then place the container in the freezer for a duration of 2 hours, allowing it to freeze completely. Take out the container from the freezer and place a plate on top of it. Flip the container over, allowing the halwa to slide out onto the plate. Gently remove the container to unveil the halwa in its final form. Cut halwa into desired pieces. Now, it's time to enjoy the delicious treat. This sweet confection is incredibly indulgent, bursting with flavor, and with every bite, you'll experience the delightful essence of grapes. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this content, I would sincerely appreciate your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for upcoming episodes where I will be sharing more delectable recipes. Until we meet again, take care and bye for now.